Let me guess, your headphones still sound great, but they look like they just survived a zombie apocalypse. The earpads? Flaky, peeling, cracked like a desert in summer. You keep thinking, do I buy new ones or fix these? Well, what if I told you that in just 10 minutes, you can make your headphones feel brand new without spending a fortune? Stay with me till the end, because not only will I show you exactly how to replace your headphone earpads step by step, but I'll also share a secret that headphone manufacturers don't really want you to know. You ready? Let's fix those bad boys. Why replace earpads? All right, before we jump in, let's quickly answer the why question. Why should you even bother replacing earpads? Well, 3 big reasons. Comfort. Old pads lose their cushion, making long listening sessions feel like a medieval torture device. Hygiene. Yeah, all that sweat, dead skin, and bacteria build up over time. Disgusted? You should be. Sound quality. Believe it or not, worn-out pads mess with sound isolation and bass response. Let's be honest, if your headphones could talk, they'd probably say, "Hey, stop pressing your sweaty ears into my skeleton." So yeah, it's time. What you'll need. Now, let's prep. You don't need a full toolkit, just a few basics. Here's your checklist. Replacement earpads specific to your headphone model. A butter knife or plastic pry tool. Some rubbing alcohol and cotton swabs. And optional but helpful, a small towel or workspace mat. And patience, especially if you've never done this before. Oh, and no, you don't need to be an engineer. If you've ever put on socks, you can replace earpads. Identify your headphone model. Before you buy replacement pads, make sure you know your exact headphone model. This is not a close enough is good enough situation. Check under the headband or inside the ear cup. Usually there's a small sticker or imprint. Removing the old pads. Okay, deep breath. Time for the satisfying part, removal. Most headphone pads are either clipped in, adhesive-backed, or tucked into a groove around the cup. Method 1, clipped pads. Gently wedge a plastic pry tool or butter knife between the pad and the headphone. Twist softly until the clips release. Don't force it, you're not opening a coconut. Method 2, adhesive pads. Peel them off slowly, like a sticker. Some residual will likely remain. Method 3, groove-based pads. Look for a thin fabric ring tucked into a lip around the ear cup. Use your fingernails to peel it out, like unsealing a Tupperware lid. And if at any point you feel like yelling, "Why won't this come off?" Congratulations, you're officially doing it right. Clean up the mess. Now you've got a naked ear cup. Don't panic. It's time to clean the surface. Dip a cotton swab into rubbing alcohol and gently wipe away any leftover adhesive, dirt, or debris. Why? Because a clean surface ensures the new pads actually stay in place. Installing new pads. Now for the fun part, installing your fresh ear pads. But here's the deal, each pad has a specific orientation. Look for these clues. A seam or notch that matches the headphone cup, left and right indicators, or sometimes a slit that aligns with internal wires or mics. For groove-based installation, tuck the edge of the pad ring into the groove. Use your fingers to slowly work around the cup. Think of it like stretching a fitted bed sheet over a mattress, but circular. For adhesive pads, peel off the sticker backing, align carefully, press firmly for 30 seconds. For clipped pads, align the clips with holes, press down until you hear a click. Test them out. Moment of truth. Time to test. Put your headphones on, feel the cushion. Does it feel snug, secure, luxurious even? Notice any sound differences? Better bass, improved isolation? Congrats! You've just given your headphones a second life. Still here? Good, because I promised to reveal something headphone companies don't really want you to know. The secret. Why brands want you to throw away, not replace. Here's the deal. Many popular headphone brands design their earpads to wear out faster, because they know 80% of people won't bother replacing them. Instead, what? You'll be tempted to buy an entirely new pair for $200 plus. But now that you've learned this skill, you're part of the smart 20%, the headphone rebels. You don't throw away, you rebuild. If this helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more smart DIY upgrades. Let me know in the comments, what headphones do you use and what tutorial should we do next?